Today is
Hello,
October 18,
viewers.
2025.
I speak in English so that the whole world, the whole people in the world should know that God see me in my dreams last night. Today is October 18, 2025, 2 p.m. I see God in my vision last night that God will flood the world. The world will be experiencing too much flood and rainfall. That seawater level will rise to its not expected level. Prepared for this calamity all over the world, especially Philippines. That is God's warning that people must repent and pray daily. I love you all.